Hey everybody, it's Gary here again. Today we are doing a quick walkthrough on the AI Writer Paragraph Expander. So when you're writing a book and you're getting stumped on a certain paragraph, you can put that in here into the Paragraph Expander and get some ideas. So when you're experiencing writer's block, you can get through that pretty quickly. So I plugged in a paragraph that I wanted to expand upon, and the focus area is case studies of AI driven mindfulness tools, as you can see there. And generated results within 20 seconds. So it's pretty quick, and there you go. It expanded this way out. And just gives me a little more ideas to put down on the paper when I'm having a little block, or maybe there's a paragraph that I have a little bit of idea what I want to say, but I want to get a little deeper into it, and this gives you some good information and good ideas to kind of lead you down that path. So I find this very helpful in the book writing process, just to generate a little more ideas when I'm getting stumped. Sometimes that happens. And you plug into here and boom, you're done. So we have like 5 apps that'll help you get that book started and completed. And you can get your book out there on the market and be awesome and write as many books as you want. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to put books out and they just don't know how to get started. So in the AI Wellness universe, we have 5 different apps that can help you through that process and get you from beginning to end and get your book out there and published. So hope this helps everybody. Thanks for being here. Till next time, take care, and I will see you again.